Welcome back guys, and we're back again. This time we're going to be talking about how much it costs to run a server yourself, and not only how much it costs, but why you should go with a server instead. So first things first, we're going to check out how much, and I recommend SeekaHost myself. I use it, I've just swapped all my servers over to them, and I find them price-wise the best and gameplay the best. So with that, let's head down to the actual prices, and we'll get to the why after and check out the more technical bits. So to start with, you've got the wooden, the stone and the gold package, and the first one starts at a staggeringly small $2 a month for 12 player slots, 2GB RAM, mod pack support and a custom domain name as well. And then as the packages get larger, so you got the $5, the $7, obviously the player slots get larger and the amount of RAM that you receive also does. Now they've got quite a number of packages, it goes up to the redstone, 48 players, 6GB, up to $36 for 16GB, or if you're really looking to host quite a large server, you can come get the ultimate package, and that's only $76 for 24GB of RAM, 200 player slots, mod pack support, custom domain name and all of that good stuff. So we've seen how much it actually costs now, so let's get to the why. And you might be thinking, well, I could just rent myself a realm, it's cheap and easy and I can use that. Well, unfortunately what you will find that is not actually cheaper at all. So 10 player realm will cost you in Britain at the moment $6.69, I believe in America it's $7.99 at the moment, and for only a 2 player realm it's $3.29. And unfortunately, realms are very well known for having either bugs being able to connect, devices not working with them temporarily, realm being down and stuff like that. Whereas if you compare it to the actual server packages here on SeekaHost, for $7 a month you're going to get 4GB of RAM and the 36 player slots. Not only that, you're going to get your custom domain, mod pack supports, just the general support on here is actually extremely helpful if you ever need anybody to explain something for you or something goes wrong and you need some help. All you got to do is hit that support button, create a ticket, and then helpful people at SeekaHost will get it sorted for you. And of course having a server supports more players, so you can actually build your community larger, really large if you actually want to hold quite a big server or it gets quite popular. You can always up the slots and up the memory. Plus, and obviously being able to run a larger server if you need to, is that as your world file grows, you'll be able to keep up with it, rather on realms it gets to a certain point and it can't actually keep up with it at all. And of course you might be thinking, well, I can host my own server for my own PC, but that does come with downfalls. Of course you got to have a dedicated PC for that, which you keep up to date and maintain yourself, obviously to a cost of yourself as well. And you've also got to keep it safe from any sort of attacks that you might get because you're actually sharing your own IP. And of course it's far less complex than actually having to build and set up your computer. On here it's just very quick. You set up your payment and then it's on, and then it's just up to you to configure your files if you want to configure it a different way from the default. You can very easily, and just with a few clicks of a button, just change your domain name here so people can connect. Plugins and actually accessing your files are super easy as well, whether it be using your FTP file access to access everything on your server or just adding plugins that are already available through the site that you can just click. One more click and you've pretty much installed it. Like I said, support is very easy, just click that, fill in the form and they get back to you straight away. They've got a large and growing knowledge base, which helps you with lots of helpful videos if you're stuck with anything. And of course accessing files and configuring your server is also made extremely easy. And it is DDoS protected, so of course you're going to be protected from anybody that might be trying to attack your server. And if you ever need to upgrade your package, they've made that very quick and accessible if you do want to. Thanks for watching. Any more videos like this, just check out the SeekaHost knowledge base and of course my channel. Bye bye.